Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps on how to hide the content of other messaging silent alerts on your Snapchat lock screen, keeping your notifications private and discreet. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you'll manage app-specific notification preferences. Next, scroll and tap on Apps to view all your installed applications. From this list, find and tap on Snapchat. Once inside Snapchat's app settings, select Notifications. This will open the notification categories that Snapchat uses to organize alerts. Look for notification categories and tap to open. Here, you'll see different types of notifications Snapchat sends. Find the category named Other Messaging, then tap on Silent Notifications under it. Silent notifications usually include subtle alerts, like typing indicators or activity that doesn't come with a sound. Finally, tap on Lock Screen Settings within Silent Notifications. Choose Hide Content from the options available. This will ensure that when your phone is locked, the content of these silent Snapchat alerts won't be visible on your lock screen, enhancing your privacy. By following these simple steps, your Snapchat lock screen notifications for silent message alerts will remain private, showing only that a notification is there without revealing the details. This way, you can keep your messaging discreet while still being alerted. That's all it takes to hide sensitive Snapchat silent alert content on your lock screen. Stay in control of your privacy with this handy setting update.